Oh gosh, this thing is fast. Oh my gosh, this thing is fast. Oh gee, this thing is fast. Gee, this thing is so fast. My gosh. Let me turn it back on. I am not used to that. I say. Literally, these blades are literally plastic. That's why it's so fast in the first place. I'm just not used to it being that fast. And nice to become a new subscriber. Gosh, this is the fastest fan in the house now. That is insanely fast. My Canon was the fastest fan in the house, but since it's not installed, oh gee, I just got an airflow. But yes, I'm gonna turn it back on one more time, just to look at it. It's just because it wobbles so that, oh! I'm actually feeling it from here. But it's loud though. This is the fastest fan in the house. Literally, like, it's because it's got new blades on it. So this is why it's actually at insane speed in the first place. Like, yeah, this is just absolutely insane. There's literally a breeze in here from this fan on its insane speed. That is just insane. I did not think this Sailor Bay would actually get that fast with those blades on it. And this is the Centreville. And it's not the fastest. The Barnes Staple Bay is now the second fastest. The Wellesley being the third. Well, the Wellesley and the Barnes Staple Bay were actually tied originally. But I just did not think a fan like this would actually get up to such speed. Well, this was originally like the fastest on bent install, because the blades were bent on most of the fans originally. But like this one's blades aren't even bent. If they were bent just a little bit, like sideways so they were like straight, you would actually see this fan running way faster. And like when my Canon's blades were not even bent, it used to run slower than this thing. That is insane. I'm gonna actually run it one more time, just to show how plastic blades actually make the fan faster. And the blades are heavy though. Like literally, this is actually insane. And it actually wobbles a little bit too, but wobbly enough for all those reasons. But I do not think this Sailor Bay would actually get up to absolutely insane speeds. This is the first time I've seen it running with the blades on. Yeah, it's actually wobbling like crazy now. This is insane! Literally, this is just insane.